I want to show you this. We still had the flood watch up. That goes through tomorrow evening because, as I mentioned, we have another round of thunderstorms in the forecast tomorrow. So we had, some spots today had an inch or two of rain. We have the same potential in the forecast tomorrow, and flooding could be a concern. Up around Sanger and just northern Denton County, southern Cook County, one little cluster of rain. It's not severe. It's just rain. Actually, it's falling apart. The lightning has left. This is Hill County, Bosque and Hill County. Here's Bosque, here's Hill County, here's the Brazos. So that's where we have one severe thunderstorm warning. East of there, Corsicana, this is Navarre County, down to Richland, we have a thunderstorm. Both of those storms are producing some quarter-size hail and some 60-mile-an-hour winds. These will fizzle out. Watch this. That's at midnight. So what, an hour and 40 minutes from now, they fall apart, and northeast Texas sees rain tonight, but that's it. The rest of us are mainly dry as the night moves along. Now here's the timing for tomorrow. There's noon. So we'll have some activity develop down to the south of us at noon. It starts to shift to the north at 1. There's 2, there's 3, here's 4. Now again, it's not widespread. Today, 70%, 80% of us saw some rain. Tomorrow it's like 50%, and a lower percentage will see severe thunderstorms. But there's 4 p.m. tomorrow, 5 p.m., 6 p.m., there's 7, and then it all drifts off to the east, and then it's gone. So there's the timing once again, and there's the threat. Again, it's quarter to golf ball size hail. Some spots could see tennis ball size hail, damaging winds of 60 to 70, and even an isolated tornado or two. Almost the same deal that we had today. Maybe a slightly lower risk. I'm not talking the SPC numbers of 1, 2, or 3, because today we were in a 3, tomorrow we're in a 2. But when you look at just meteorologically speaking, the risk is just a little less tomorrow than what it was today. There's midnight tomorrow night. We cloud up, we're dry, and then we start Friday with some clouds. The sun comes out, and then we'll have a couple little thunderstorms pop up as we move through the day. Now, we've got a lot of graduations that are taking place on Friday. In Allen, at Allen High School, Friday, the graduation's at 7:30 Friday. It's going to be warm. 90 at 7, 87 at 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 83 degrees. And then at South Lake Carroll, we're looking at a warm one as well, 8 p.m. Friday, not bad. 86 at 8 p.m., 84 at 9 p.m., 81 at 10 p.m. You see, I don't have any rain in my forecast for you on Friday. These are the outdoor graduations. And then we're looking at Aledo High School, Buchanan Stadium, of course, in Aledo. It's Friday at 8 p.m., 85 degrees, 81 degrees, and 78 degrees by 10 p.m. Saturday evening, though, we have yet another round of severe thunderstorms. Again, it's not necessarily right now the up to tennis ball size hail. I don't have that, but some quarters and also some 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. That's all in the forecast. Forecast tonight, any severe thunderstorms are well to the south of Dallas-Fort Worth, and they'll fizzle out in the next 2 hours. 70 for the low tonight. During the day tomorrow, about half of us see rain. Some of those storms severe. 86 tomorrow. Now, as we look at the rain coverage on Friday and Saturday, the rain coverage is low, 20%, but one of those storms could pop up and turn severe. And then we're dry Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday before more rain returns Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So the following weekend, a little bit of rain, and this upcoming holiday weekend, just Saturday right now is the only day.